Today I'll be installing the NOCO GCP1 AC port plug. This is going to hook up to my power bank and go through so that I do not have to lift or close the lid to plug in my power bank to charge the batteries on my boat. There's no wiring needed on this. It has a pressure fit cap. As you can see here, it'll be going through the wall as shown, and then the power bank will plug right into it. And it is a waterproof plug. This is what it looks like here. 16-inch. It has a rubber gasket pressured plug attachment with a gasket for the back. The tools needed will be a 2-inch hole saw, a number 2 Phillips, and a drill. This also does come with the hardware, self-tapping screws for the installation. All right, for this install, my power bank is going to be mounted there. This is your aft port side storage on the 210 FSH Sport by Yamaha. I am going to be installing this over here, and then it'll be connected to my power bank charger that will be going here, which will be connected to my batteries. As you can see, there will be lots of fiberglass dust. If you want to keep that down, use a water bottle and have somebody spray it as you are drilling the hole. Unfortunately, it's just me today, so I will have to clean this up with a vacuum. All right, it's fully installed. Has 3 screw mounts with a rubber gasket behind it. I did notice that you have to make sure when you line up those holes with the rubber gasket that it does not move. Otherwise you need to adjust it. All set. Waterproof. Very easy install. Comes down from the back. My Pro Marine charger, power bank charger, will be mounted right here. Connect there and to my batteries. And as I said, now instead of having to open this door and pinch a power cord or leave the door open to charge the batteries, I can just plug right in here. This door can remain closed, and you have your battery charger set up all ready to go. Let me know if you have any questions. Thanks for watching the channel.